Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. Sorry, I've been busy today and I couldn't post the analysis for today. However, this analysis will cover today and hopefully tomorrow as well, because unless I put an update later on for the tomorrow, but it should cover tomorrow as well. It'll give you a clue where we can trade from. Anyway, I'll try to put an update tomorrow, either in Telegram channel or on we are on YouTube. So let's start. So it's 26 today, and we have all the news here, and you can see that most of them are positive here. ESD news. This one is negative. It's not much difference, and here as well, it's not much different. But mainly, it was positive news. So gold did go down, and then it's going to the upside now. So let's see what is happening tomorrow and what's the news tomorrow. The Friday, end of the month, end of the week, sorry, and it is last Friday of the week as well. And let's see how the market can. What's the news? And first of all, what's the news? We got 1:30 heavy impact news, 3 p.m. heavy impact news. So these are the USD news, and we got JPY 12:30 a.m. That's midnight, just past midnight. That's UK times, and right. And going to our gold chart. This was these purple lines, Asian zone. The market Asian zone is broken here. Took the liquidity, market came down, entered in the zone and went up again. Took more liquidity, and then as you can see that market came down again. Broke this level and fell in to the zone again. Okay. So this was a level here, market rejected from here. That was a buy trade here. And then this is another level here. I only draw main levels. As you can see, this is a level here. And market gave a wick in 5 minutes, and market went up, gave a few pips, and then market came down, broke this level. As you can see, this level here in 5 minutes has been broken, and market came down. This is another level, and market went up and broke this level. This was a level there. That's where the rejections were from. And then once market broke this level, market gave us a bounce to the upside, and then this level here, buy trade. Now, if you go on 15 minutes, we can always see what's happening. In 15 minutes, we have a very good candle here. We had here as well. We make some pips here. And here we had a good candle. Again, was a buy option here. Buy. Then it was a head and shoulder here. That was a very good buy. Let me remove all these, and I'll show you 15-minute head and shoulder. At a level, this head and shoulder means a lot. Even you go 5 minutes, still head and shoulder. So I took one trade around here. When market went up, came down, I took another trade here. So two trades. As long as manageable risk, you can take trades like that. Layering, it's called layering. So that was the opportunity. Okay, now if I go on 4 hour, huge rejection from here. It looks like market can end up around 1993 or 1997 we have. That is about last week's high. And what is how many minutes? I've got nearly 44 minutes to close the 4 hour. So it's you can see the strong rejection from here. So we definitely can see the move to the upside. Now, let me remove all these two lines. It looks like market will break this level, and hopefully if it close above this level daily, we can see further movement and sharp movement to at least to this level. Here and then here. So these are different levels. To the upside and to the downside. If these are broken, these levels, and we can definitely see the move to the upside. This is a daily chart, so if you go in 1 hour and you can further enhance it. So now I'm expecting this market to come around 1990 levels. The market is still running and it should come this level. And let me go back to 4 hour again and draw some lines here again for you. This 2000 level. It should eventually go there. And the 1 hour, and you can see. And once this level broken, as I said earlier on, we can look for the higher levels previously mentioned. So I hope this is helpful to you, and have a good trading day. Thank you. Bye-bye.